As we're ending 2021, we're looking back on yet another year of the pandemic and what has changed since 2020. Dr. Jason Smith with U of L says far and away the biggest change since last year is the availability of the vaccine. He said at this time last year, we were struggling to quickly vaccinate just our healthcare workers and vulnerable populations. A year ago, the first doses were just arriving in Louisville, and Smith says now there's a surplus. In the past year, we've seen the development of new COVID variants like the Omicron that seem to be able to get past those vaccines. Smith says hospitalizations are still low for the vaccinated population, but stressed the severity of COVID for unvaccinated people who have to be hospitalized is consistent.
You get to the hospital, you are still, in pretty dire straits, particularly if you wind up on a ventilator and in the ICU. And those are the patients that are still dying from this disease. We still have patients every day that die from COVID.
Since the start of the pandemic, Kentucky has lost about 12,000 people to the virus. The latest surge is causing a shortage of at-home COVID tests, something that this time last year wouldn't have necessarily even been a problem because we were still seeing mass testing sites.